G'day guys, welcome to Bens Worx. This week's build is going to be a real simple one. I'm going to make myself a breadboard. The wood I'll be using for this build is going to be some Blackwood, some Tasmanian Oak and some Merbau. The design for this breadboard is going to be quite simple. I'm going to put some Tassie Oak on the outside edges, and in between I'm going to sandwich the Merbau. Now this breadboard is going to be quite long. It's going to be about 600mm long and about 300mm wide. Normally my next step would be to glue all these together and then run them through my thickness planer. Now the width of this board is about 350mm, and unfortunately the max width of my planer is 318. So what I'll have to do is run them through separately, get them all to size, and then we'll glue them up. I think now I'm going to grab a few more clamps, chuck them over the top. Here's a little tip: if you need to use wood on the end as a clamp, just put some packing tape over the edge, that way it doesn't stick to your workpiece. It's a good idea to wet down your breadboard, that way the fibres stand up. That way when you do your final sand you knock them all down, and then when you go to oil it, they won't pop back up. Now I'm going to square all these edges up on the table saw, and while I'm there I'm going to put a 45-degree bevel on it, just to make it a bit easier to pick up. Now it's time for the finish, and I'll be using my homemade breadboard butter. This is 1 part beeswax melted into 2 parts mineral oil. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, it really helps me out a lot. You can also check out my Facebook and my Instagram pages for sneak peeks of upcoming projects. And if you want to help support my channel, you can go check out my Patreon page. I'll leave all the links down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.